Hello guys, this review is from the iGeek phone. The TOZO have given us opportunity to review this product. This is TOZO HT2 Headphones. These headphone comes with the least expensive price, and in this price you will get the ANC mode and the EQ mode. Further we will discuss in this review. The box design is beautiful and the instructions are written on the back side of the box. As you can already see what we have inside the box and what feature we will get. Before I say anything, let's unbox this first. Here we have the user manual where you can easily check and see how to use it. As you can see, there is connectivity option and there is an instruction of how you will use this product through Bluetooth. Also we have two wires inside this box. The one cable is for the charging and the another one is I think it's a 3.5 mm analog audio cable, which you can easily connect to your personal computer or 3.5 mm mobile phones. And these are the headphones, a beautiful white glossy headphones. Okay, now these headphones supports the ANC and ENC noise cancellation, which features the hybrid ANC algorithm with 3 ANC microphones. TOZO HT2 delivers exceptional noise control across a wide frequency range. Whether it's a roar of airplane engines, subway rumbles or office chatter, it effectively minimizes the noise interfere, ensuring an unparalleled listening experience. In addition, the excellent ENC all noise cancellation makes it possible for you to talk even in the noisy street or in noisy environment. Also, it comes in both function wired and wireless. Equipped with the 40 mm drivers, TOZO HT2 brings superior high resolution audio sound with a very well balanced deep bass. Let's turn it on and check how you will use this headphone easily. It's very simple to use and easy to carry anywhere. It is very easy to connect your headphones with the Bluetooth device. You can easily connect your headphones, and also you can download the app from the Play Store where you can easily calculate your headphones equalizer. These are the very simple, very few steps you may follow up to connect your Bluetooth to the TOZO HT2, and you will find the many features about the equalizer. The bottom line is there is many headphones, but this one is least expensive and it comes with active noise cancellation. It is very extremely comfortable to wear and simply sound great with the huge bass. I am so pleasant amazed at the performance of these headphones. These headphones is good.